Self-love means being your own cheerleader, having your own back, the ability to observe yourself without judgment, to really have compassion and grace with yourself. As we are like the moon or the tides, we are ever changing. Our energy waxes and wanes. So self-love is just being able to take a beat and go, okay, this is where I'm at right now. What do I need? How am I feeling? What can I do to give myself what I need in this moment? So again, it's the ability to just accept yourself, have grace, have a sense of humor with yourself, because life is hard. Also, too, it's not needing external validation, which is pretty tough in some of the systems that we're working with, right? So knowing your worth is not based on producing or performing. You are worthy because you're here. You're worthy because you're breathing. So taking up that space and really owning all the parts of yourself, that is self-love.